How are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you a very yummy breakfast recipe, orange cinnamon roll. So let's see how to make this quick and easy orange cinnamon roll. Very tasty yet very easy to make. There are so many breakfast recipes available on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to check them out, please do check them out. Link will be in the description box below. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching me. Now let's get to the recipe and make this yummy orange cinnamon rolls. So let's look at the ingredients we need to make this yummy orange cinnamon roll muffins. We need white chocolate cake mix. Any brand is fine. Take whatever you have. And the ingredients that are listed behind, like oil, water, oil and eggs. Use how much they specify. And 1 orange cinnamon roll cube. This you can get it in the refrigerated section of your grocery, and of course a muffin pan. So these are the ingredients we need. Just mix the cake mix with here they are asking me to use 3 whole eggs, 1/2 cup vegetable oil and 1 cup water. So let me do that and I'll be back. Line the muffin tray with muffin liners and we'll start the process. Muffin tray is lined up with liners. We will preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While we mix and get ready for our muffins, this will be hot enough. So on it. So let's get ready. I added all the ingredients, 3 eggs, 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of oil to my cake mix batter. So let's mix it nicely so that there are no lumps, and then we'll fill the muffin tray. Our batter is ready nicely without lump free. So now what we are going to do is just fill it halfway through our liners, not the complete way. Just like this. And leave it alone. Just half should be good enough. Let me fill everything and I'll show you. Our muffin tray is filled with batter, half the batter. So we are going to bake this at 375 degree Fahrenheit for exactly 6 minutes. And then we'll take it out and top it with cinnamon rolls. So let's do that now. While our muffins are getting ready, we'll open this packet of cinnamon rolls just like that and take it out carefully. And there is a tube of icing in it. Let me take it out. There is a tube of icing. Be careful, it's very loose. As you can see, just keep it aside and we'll use on the top of the muffins. Now what we are going to do is cut these muffins into single, like not whole muffins but single layer. Just like this. Just cut everything like this and we are ready to top them up. We have 12 muffins. So we need 12 toppers. This is how they look when you take it out of the oven at 6 minutes. Just take the cinnamon roll that you cut and gently press it in so that it will bake along with the muffin mix. Press it in. Let me complete doing everything and I'll show you. Everything is beautifully lined up. It goes into the oven for exactly 9 minutes or until the top of the cinnamon roll is nicely cooked. Keep an eye after 9 minutes. So let me put it in the oven and I'll show you after when it's ready. Our beautiful cinnamon rolls are out of the oven. We'll let it cool down for a few minutes and then we'll top it with our icing. I'm going to warm up this icing in the microwave for 30 seconds and then top my cinnamon rolls with it. So let me go heat it up. I microwaved the icing for 10 seconds. Look how flowy it is, and it's ready to be topped. Just drizzle all over it and your orange cinnamon rolls are ready. It's that simple to make, yet so delicious. Sometimes shortcuts are really good. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.